You don't need gym to hit a great workout. So if you can't go to the gym for any reason, Jeff Cavalier has an intense workout that can do literally everyone to get that quick kick in the ass, which I tried. Which is even better, it consists of only 2 exercises, pull-up and the push-up. What gets a little bit harder to do is to maintain a good technique on the exercises. Jeff said that on the pull-ups we need to uncross our legs and get them straight behind us so we can do pull-ups with crossed legs, and we need to use this slightly wider than shoulder width grip. And on the push-ups we need to get all the way to the ground and come up and fully extend the elbow. Don't worry if you cannot do them. You can do push-ups on your knees and inverted rows. But first figure out how many pull-ups and push-ups you can do. I'm in the 10 to 15 range, so I will do 15 pull-ups and I can do 20 push-ups easily. What's even harder that I need to do them in just 1 minute and then I can rest for 1 minute. But it's not the end. There is actually 33 minutes of work. After each set of pull-ups and push-ups, I will do 2 reps less, and when I will reach till about 9, the real fun begins. I need to get myself up to 15 where I started. And obviously the rest period and exercise performing period will go up by 2 minutes. So let's do it. 2 minutes goes on. shit. I know, not ideal, but I tried my best, and here we have a great workout that can do literally everyone. Please try it and write in the comments how you felt after this workout. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and put those thumbs up. Thank you for your time, dedicate your life to your purpose, and bye brother.